Got a stack of old DVDs, but no easy way to watch them on your PC, phone, or TV? In this video, I'll show you how to convert a DVD to MP4 on Windows for free while keeping the best possible quality. Let's get started. Part 1. What you need before you start. Before we begin, there are 3 things to check: your DVD drive, the type of DVD you have, and how you want to save it. First, make sure your PC can detect the DVD. If your laptop doesn't have a built-in DVD drive, a basic USB external drive will do the job. Second, check what kind of DVD you're working with. Homemade DVDs, family videos, wedding recordings, and other personal discs are usually much easier to copy. Commercial movie DVDs may include copy protection, so the same method won't necessarily work with every disc. And of course, only copy discs you have the right to use. Finally, think about the output format. If you mainly want to watch the video on a PC, phone, tablet, or TV, MP4 is usually the most convenient choice. If your goal is to keep a full backup of the entire disk structure, an ISO image may make more sense. Today, we'll be converting everything to MP4. Insert the DVD, then press Win+E and open this PC to make sure Windows detects the drive. You can open the disk and copy its folders to your computer if you just want a backup, but keep in mind that this doesn't turn the DVD into an MP4. To actually convert it to MP4, we'll use VLC. Open VLC Media Player, go to Media greater than Convert/Save, and switch to the Disk tab. Select DVD, then choose your drive if VLC doesn't detect it automatically. Click Convert/Save. For the profile, choose Video, H.264 plus MP3 MP4. To keep the best possible quality, don't lower the resolution. DVDs are already low resolution, so shrinking them further only removes more detail. Also, don't upscale to 1080p or 4K during conversion. It won't create extra detail, it'll just make the file larger. Now choose where you want to save the file, give it a name ending in .mp4 and click Start. VLC will read the DVD and convert it into an MP4 file on your computer. Once it's done, play the video and make sure everything looks and sounds right. Part 3. What if the converted DVD still looks blurry? Now, your DVD is an MP4, but there's one thing VLC can't fix: the quality of the original footage. If the DVD came from an old camcorder, VHS transfer, family recording, or another low-resolution source, the MP4 may still look soft or blurry, even if you use the right conversion settings. That doesn't necessarily mean the conversion went wrong. In many cases, the detail simply wasn't there in the original DVD. If you want to make that footage look cleaner and sharper, this is where 4DDIG AI Video Enhancer can help. It can reduce noise, sharpen details, and upscale older footage, making old DVD videos look much cleaner. Download and install 4DDIG File Repair from the official website, then open the program. Choose AI Enhancer from the left sidebar, then select Video Enhancer, and import the MP4 you just converted. Choose the AI model that best fits your footage. For example, the general model works well for cleaning up noisy or low-quality video, while the face model is better if your footage contains a lot of people or close-ups. Select your output resolution, click Enhance, and wait for the process to finish. The processing time depends on the length and quality of the video, so longer clips may take a little more time. Once it's done, preview the result. If you're happy with it, click Save and export the enhanced video to a safe location. So, VLC converts the DVD, while 4DDIG helps make older footage look its best. Part 4. What if Windows can't read the DVD? If you insert the DVD but Windows can't open it, some of the video files are missing, or you accidentally delete the copied DVD files from your computer, you'll need to recover those files before converting them. In that case, you can try 4DDIG Data Recovery. Just connect the DVD drive or select the drive where the files were lost, run a scan, and see if the missing videos can be recovered before converting them. And that's all there is to it. You'll find links to everything I mentioned down in the description. If you'd like to try them, there's also a 3-day free trial available, so feel free to check it out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what DVDs you're converting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.